Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. ISM 2.0 marks a new milestone in India's Semiconductor Mission. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MeitY, has said that India's Semiconductor Mission, ISM 2.0, represents a major step forward in strengthening the country's semiconductor ecosystem. MeitY Secretary S. Krishnan highlighted that the initiative aims to boost domestic chip manufacturing, attract global investments, support research and innovation, and develop a skilled workforce. ISM 2.0 is expected to enhance India's self-reliance in semiconductor production while reducing import dependence. The mission aligns with the government's broader vision of making India a global hub for semiconductor design and manufacturing. Google Chrome fixes over 1,400 security vulnerabilities in recent updates. Google has released 3 recent Chrome updates that collectively fix 1,442 security vulnerabilities, significantly strengthening browser security. Most of the issues were identified through Google's Miracle PTR memory safety technology, which helps detect and prevent memory-related bugs before they can be exploited. The updates also include fixes for high-severity vulnerabilities and other security improvements aimed at protecting users from potential cyber attacks. Google has urged users to update Chrome to the latest version immediately, as keeping the browser up to date is one of the most effective ways to stay protected against emerging online threats. Sony stands firm on transitioning to digital-only PlayStation future. During its Q1 FY 2026 earnings call, Sony confirmed it will proceed with plans to discontinue physical game disc production starting January 2028, despite widespread backlash and petition. CFO Lin Tao stated that broad industry trends toward digitization drove the strategic shift. Acknowledging fan sentiment, Tao noted Sony is considering user feedback, but confirmed the decision hasn't negatively impacted current business metrics. The company intends to cautiously move forward while exploring new engagement models within an increasingly digital-first ecosystem. Sony's Redmi K100 Pro Max launch date, design, and color options. Revealed, Redmi has officially confirmed the launch date of the Redmi K100 Pro Max and revealed its design and color options ahead of the debut. The smartphone features a premium look with a redesigned camera module and will be available in multiple color variants. It is expected to offer a high refresh rate display, a flagship-grade processor, advanced AI-powered cameras, fast charging, and the latest HyperOS software. Positioned in the premium smartphone segment, the Redmi K100 Pro Max aims to deliver top-tier performance, enhanced photography, and a refined user experience for power users. iQOO Z11 India launch teased with big battery and performance focus. iQOO has officially teased the launch of the iQOO Z11 in India, hinting at a smartphone focused on performance and long battery life. The device is expected to feature a large battery, a high refresh rate display, a powerful processor, and fast charging support. It is also likely to offer an AI-enhanced camera system and the latest Android-based software. Although the company has not revealed the complete specifications or launch date, the teaser suggests the iQOO Z11 will target users seeking strong performance, gaming capabilities, and reliable everyday use. Samsung developing new Galaxy Buds model with earhook design. Samsung is reportedly developing a new addition to its audio lineup, internally codenamed Buds Canal 5, featuring a sport-focused earhook design. Tailored for runners and fitness enthusiasts, the upcoming True Wireless Stereo (TWS) earphones feature flat ear hooks to ensure a secure fit, alongside in-ear style tips. Expected specifications for the device include active noise cancellation, ANC, USB Type-C charging support, and water resistance capabilities. complementing Samsung's expanding lineup of audio accessories alongside other form factors like open-ear models. Today's AI tool is Kimi AI workspace for research, documents, coding, and automation. Kimi is an AI-powered productivity platform developed by Moonshot AI that combines chat, research, document creation, coding, and automation in one workspace. It can analyze PDFs, spreadsheets, presentations, images, videos, and other files, helping users generate reports, editable documents, Excel sheets, and PowerPoint presentations. Kimi also features deep research, website creation, coding assistance, and AI agents for complex tasks using K3 Swarm technology. Available on web and mobile platforms, Kimi offers free and paid plans, making it a powerful solution for researchers, developers, students, and business professionals seeking AI-driven productivity. Our lead story is about Acer, and Acer Pure India celebrates 10th annual Acer Day with Shift the Game campaign. Acer and Acer Pure India have launched the 10th annual Acer Day 2026 with the theme Shift the Game, celebrating Acer's 50th anniversary while encouraging innovation, creativity, and smart living. Throughout August, customers can enjoy exclusive discounts on Acer laptops, desktops, gaming devices, accessories, and Acer Pure home appliances across retail stores and online platforms. Offers include bank discounts, extended warranties, student benefits, EMI options, and special pricing on air purifiers and vacuum cleaners. The campaign aims to deliver advanced technology and smart home solutions at attractive prices for Indian consumers. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to upcharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.